Welcome to our YouTube channel Careative. We focus on bringing you the latest information and strategies for maintaining a healthy lifestyle. In today's video, we will be discussing a topic that is of utmost importance for anyone looking to improve their health: how to reduce bad cholesterol. How to reduce bad cholesterol. High cholesterol is a common health issue that affects many people worldwide. When the levels of bad cholesterol, LDL, in the body become too high, it can lead to the accumulation of plaque in the arteries, which can result in various health problems, including heart disease, stroke, and heart attacks. If you have high cholesterol, it's important to take steps to lower it. Here are some effective ways to reduce bad cholesterol. Eat a healthy diet. One of the most effective ways to reduce bad cholesterol is to eat a healthy diet that is low in saturated and trans fats. Incorporate foods such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean protein sources, and healthy fats like avocados and nuts into your diet. Exercise regularly. Regular physical activity can help reduce bad cholesterol levels and improve overall health. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise, such as brisk walking, cycling, or swimming, most days of the week. Quit smoking. Smoking damages blood vessels and can increase bad cholesterol levels. Quitting smoking can help reduce bad cholesterol and lower the risk of heart disease. Maintain a healthy weight. Being overweight or obese can increase bad cholesterol levels. Losing weight through a combination of healthy eating and regular exercise can help reduce bad cholesterol levels and improve overall health. Drink alcohol in moderation. Drinking too much alcohol can increase bad cholesterol levels and increase the risk of heart disease. Limit alcohol intake to no more than 1 drink per day for women and 2 drinks per day for men. Take medication as prescribed. In some cases, medication may be necessary to reduce bad cholesterol levels. If your doctor prescribes cholesterol-lowering medication, make sure to take it as directed. In conclusion, high levels of bad cholesterol can lead to various health problems, including heart disease and stroke. Eating a healthy diet, exercising regularly, quitting smoking, maintaining a healthy weight, drinking alcohol in moderation, taking medication as prescribed can all help reduce bad cholesterol levels and improve overall health. By making these lifestyle changes, you can take control of your cholesterol levels and reduce your risk of heart disease and other related health issues. Here are some additional tips for reducing bad cholesterol. Increase fiber intake. Fiber can help reduce bad cholesterol levels by binding to it in the digestive system and removing it from the body. Aim to eat more soluble fiber, found in foods such as oatmeal, apples, and beans. Choose healthier cooking methods. Avoid cooking with saturated and trans fats, such as butter or margarine. Instead, use healthier oils like olive oil or canola oil. Baking, broiling, grilling, and steaming are also healthier cooking methods than frying. Manage stress. Stress can increase bad cholesterol levels and lead to unhealthy habits such as overeating or smoking. Find healthy ways to manage stress, such as meditation, yoga, or talking to a therapist. Get regular checkups. Regular checkups with your doctor can help you stay on top of your cholesterol levels and overall health. Your doctor may recommend cholesterol screenings and provide guidance on how to manage high cholesterol levels. Remember, reducing bad cholesterol levels takes time and effort, but the benefits to your overall health are worth it. By making healthy lifestyle changes and following your doctor's recommendations, you can reduce your risk of heart disease and other related health issues. Incorporate plant-based protein sources. Plant-based protein sources, such as beans, lentils, and tofu, are a great way to reduce bad cholesterol levels. They are low in saturated fat and high in fiber, which can help lower LDL cholesterol. Limit processed foods. Processed foods are often high in saturated and trans fats, which can increase bad cholesterol levels. Try to limit processed foods and choose whole, unprocessed foods instead. Consider supplements. Some supplements, such as plant sterols and stanols, can help lower bad cholesterol levels. However, it's important to talk to your doctor before taking any supplements to ensure they are safe and effective for you. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water can help reduce bad cholesterol levels by flushing out toxins and improving digestion. Aim to drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water per day. Sleep well. Poor sleep quality and sleep deprivation can increase bad cholesterol levels. Aim to get 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night and establish a consistent sleep schedule to improve overall health. By incorporating these additional tips into your lifestyle changes, you can further improve your cholesterol levels and overall health. Remember to be patient and consistent in your efforts, and consult with your doctor for personalized recommendations. Please like, comment, share and subscribe too.